Hello student, today we will perform the experiment number 8. Design and implement 4-bit up or down counter. Up or down counter using IC 74LS191 or 74SC193. Okay, so see, these are the pin diagram of IC LS191. Okay, so if you observe, it contains a 16 pin IC. Okay, so 8 is ground, 16 is VCC, like these are the number pins, description is given. Again, what you have to do first, everyone for download the data sheet of respective IC, read that respective pins, their functions, okay, and then internal structure of the IC, and then you can design the logic diagram for implementation. Okay, so I will show you the logic diagram, how the logic diagram we are designing now. See, these are the logic diagram of 74191. Okay, so I will show you clearly. Again, 191 pin diagrams is looks like this one, right? Fine. See now the procedure for implementation of the mod 16 down counter. Okay, so first we require the IC 191. Okay, this is your IC 191 IC. Okay, then we can mount this IC on the breadboard. Then your next task we can read the procedure, and according to that we have to make the connection. Okay, so starting with the very first, what the pin number 16 is connected to the VCC, so and 8 is ground. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So obviously it is 16, so this 16 number pin connected to the VCC. Okay, you can make the connection, insert the conductor of this flexible are totally in breadboard. Okay, and 8 is connected to the ground. Okay, so 8 is connected to the ground. 8 number wire connected to the ground, like this one. We can make the connection. Then second, pin number 4 to ground. Pin number 4 connected to the ground. 1 2 3 4, these 4 number wires again connected. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this 4 number wire you connected to the ground. Right, then 4 is connected to ground. Then pin number 5 connected to the VCC. Pin number 5, so this is your pin number 5 is connected to the VCC. Pin number 5 connected to VCC. Third step, short load bar means pin number 11. Pin number 11 to pin number 13 RCA bar. Okay, so 11, and these are the 16, 8, then 9, 10, 11, right? 12 and 13. Okay, so short this 11 and 13, right? Then next procedure or next step, pin number D oblique U, down as well as up. Okay, so for down counting, this connected pin number 5 to VCC for down counting. Pin number 5, 1 2 3 4 5 connected to the VCC. Okay, for down counting. I think we are connected. Okay, so 5 is already connected. Now connect clock signal to pin number 14. Okay, so again as usual the previous practice. Okay, 16, then 15 and 14, here we apply the clock signal. Okay, ground connected here. Fine. Then observe the output. Okay, so before that observing output, you have to require the power bank and connected to pin 7, 6, 2 and 3 of LED bank. Okay, so again we require the LED bank, we connect it. Okay, so like this we connect for then pin number 7 is pin number 7. Okay, this is pin number 7. Then pin number 6, pin number 6, pin number 6 we can connect here. Pin number 6 is connected. Then pin number 2, right, pin number 2, see the pin number 2, pin number 2 is connected here. Then pin number 3, okay, so pin number 3 we have to connect. Three, 1 2 3, 3, okay. Ground is connected. Okay, now we'll see the supply. Now apply the power supply. This one we will apply the power supply now. Positive, ground, and start the supply and watch the output. Now watch the output. All LED are glowing. Then we can call it 15. Watch now. I will show 15 means all. Then 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1, 0. You can observe all LED will be glow. Okay. Only I have removed 11 to 13. Those are shorted. See, all LED will glow. One off. Okay. So counting is mod 16, down counting. Okay, so start with the 16 means all LED will be go. Okay, that we can consider as a first counting. Okay, and it will be end. Now I will reduce the frequency slowly. I will increase one by one. We can observe all LED. Now this will be off, means 14. Right. Now this will be off, this will be on, means 13. Right. Now 12, both will be off. 12, both will be off. 12. Now for 11, okay, this will be off and these two is on. Right. Now 10, this will be off, only these two is on. Right. Now 9, this will off and this will be glow for 9. Right. For 8, this will off, this will be glow only. 8. Okay. 7 means this 1, 2, 3 will be on, this will be off. See the 7. 6, this will be off, this 2 is on. Right. Now for the 5, this will off and this will be on. 4, this will be off, this only this will be on. Now 3, this and these two, this will be on. 2. Right. Then 1, okay, this is through. Now 2, this will be on. 2. Now for 1, this will be on, this will be off. 1. Now 0, next stage is 0, reset, all will be 0, no LED will be glow now. See, then again it will be repeat with the starting with the 15, means all LED should be glow, all. See, all LED, these are nothing but 15. Again this cycle will be repeated. 15, then this will be off. 14, like this one, up to the 0. Okay, for this one again I have used the same, we can call it as function generator, right, and power supply, DC regulated power supply. Okay, only after making this connection I have removed the 11 and 13 pin. Okay, as well as these are the down counting. Okay, for up counting, that 5 number pin, here we have connected to the VCC. Now if you connect it to the ground, then it will be considered as a up counting. Okay, so we can implement, if for up counting it will be start with the 0 0 and end with the 1 1. Okay, hope so we understood this one. Thank you. This is your last practical.